Welcome to this week's video, and today I wanted to just share with you a few things I do for Sehri and Iftar. And today I had this whole grain gluten-free toast with some leftover salad that I'd made for Iftar the day before. Added an egg, salt and pepper, kept it simple, and just had that with some strawberries, my vitamins, and lots of water. For Iftar, my husband made his famous chicken curry, and I made some white rice to go with that. Let me know if you want us to share this chicken curry recipe. We can maybe make a video with that. I've been trying to get him to do it with me. Let's see. Had some eggplant lying in the fridge, which was really, rotting away. Decided to bake it and make a little curry with that. And water, some cucumbers. We open our fast with ajwa dates these days, loving it. And this is the progress on the chicken curry. And I decided to make a green smoothie, our all-time favorite. Now, I just want to put a disclaimer on this. My teen did not drink this smoothie, but I still like preparing it and, putting it out there. As you know, my little one, Sami, if you follow me on Instagram, I've been sharing our journey, and he's loving the taste of green smoothies. That's the only way he'll have his greens in, honestly. And so, we sit and wait for the curry. My end was done, and now it was hubby's turn to produce. An extremely simple setup, you guys. As you can tell, nothing fancy here. Just jumping into our dinner. Yay! He finished it! And celebrating our wins. Post-Iftar snack is always a good cup of chai and a little dessert. This time it was a keto brownie mix that I found at Costco. Just made that and enjoyed that. All right, an update on the eggplant. Roasted it, didn't have enough tomatoes, couldn't make the curry, so it's for another day. And just putting leftovers away, prepping for the next day. Figs are such a great way to get your fiber in, and really good for digestion and beating constipation. So I suggest you guys try it out. That's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next week.